Hello and I welcome you to my video classes on concrete technology, and we are discussing about mainly special concretes. So in the special concrete we already started the self-compacting concrete. So and we studied the what you mean by self-compacting concrete and what are the different material used for the self-compacting concrete and properties of the self-compacting concrete and different tests conducting on a self-compacting concrete. But in today's video we are mainly discussing about advantages, disadvantages and applications. So first we'll study what are the advantages of self-compacting concrete. So first advantage is the permeability of the concrete structure decreases. The permeability inside the concrete structure decreases. Why? Because when concrete itself is a placing properly, when itself is a flowing by its own weight, then there is no formations of voids. So when we are getting less voids within the within a structure, concrete structure, then it shows less permeability within a concrete structure. Second one, self-compacting concretes enables freedom in a designing of concrete structure. So it gives the freedom in a designing, right? For the architectural designers or for civil engineering designers, it gives a free some of the free conditions and you can design according to requirement. Next is self-compacting concrete construction is faster. Comparatively, construction of a concrete structure is faster than the traditional method of concreting. Then fourth one, problem associated with the vibration is eliminated. Why? Because we are not using any vibrators. You can see in the image, first one is a diesel or maybe petrol vibrators and electrical vibrator, handheld electrical vibrator. We are not using the vibrators, then definitely whatever problems, maybe requirement of machines and investment for the machines are eliminated. Fifth one, concrete is placed with the easy, which results in a large cost saving. So cost saving for concreting or placing of concreting, only for placing of concreting it is a cost saving method, right? And quality of the concrete construction is increases. Quality of the concrete construction is increases. So due to the good quality of construction and because of less permeability and because of the good placing and good flowing values and less segregation, durability and reliability of the concrete structure is high. Last one is noise from vibration is reduced, right? And this also reduces the hand arm vibrator syndrome. Hand arm vibrator syndrome means, for example, when laborers are using the handheld vibrators, maybe it is has creating some mental disturbance, physical disturbance, maybe like shaking of hand and getting irritations and some of the mentally disturbance. Those are called as syndromes, some of the diseases which are coming due to the more sound generated from the vibrators. That also you can reduce, right? So next we will study some of the disadvantages of self-compacting concrete. So very few disadvantages are there comparatively with the advantages. Disadvantages are less, right? So you can see any material in the earth or any material in the earth, it has advantage as well as the disadvantages. So here also it has some disadvantages. First one is there is no global accepted test standards. First one is there is no global accepted, not only within a country, globally. There is no standard method of testing globally for a mixed design of self-compacting concrete. Next is the cost of construction. The cost of construction is costlier than the conventional concreting construction. So here it is total construction cost. So first in advantages we studied placing of concrete is easier than the conventional method, but total construction cost is comparatively higher than the traditional concreting or conventional concreting. Next is the use of design mix require more batching and lab testing, as we seen in testing for flow testing and for field testing and even segregation resistance testing. We have seen many testing, right? So it required more testing as well as batching. Next is why it required more batching. Why? Because it required water, it required cement, it required admixtures, it required mineral admixtures, chemical admixtures, right? Foders, and because of and even we're using different minerals and different chemicals, right? So that's what it requires more batching as well as testing. Next is measurement and monitoring must be more precise while making the batching, right? While mixing the different materials, the monitoring and measurement must be more precise. It has to taken more care while making the while preparing the concrete. So place like no, we have to mix with different material. While mixing, measurement is very important because according to the design, our concrete design, we have to place the like no, we have to use the material. So that's what monitoring and measurement is very important, and we have to take more care about it. Next is the material selection for the self-compacting concrete is more stringent or more problematic. Why? Because it required more materials. More materials means it's not same as a traditional method of construction or traditional method of concreting. In a traditional method of concreting is required cement, water, aggregate. It is what mainly three requirements. But here in this self-compacting concrete, it required water, cement, fine aggregate, coarse aggregate, super plasticizers, mineral admixtures. In the mineral admixtures, again it depends on the requirement property. Again it changes with the different chemicals. So that's what it is very stringent or problematic if you are not getting easily in a locally available material. So if it is not getting easily, then it creates the problem. So now we will study applications of self-compacting concrete. Some of the applications mainly where we are using or where more we are concerned about this self-compacting concrete. So first main consideration is construction of structures with a complicated reinforcement. Actually self-compacting concrete we are using where we have complicated reinforcements. You can see in the first image how like dense or complicated reinforcement is there. To place the concrete in this place, we suggest to have to go for self-compacting concrete. Next application is self-compacting concrete is used for repair works as well as restorations work as well as renewable work. For example, repair works, maybe if it is a crack and to hack the crack, we are using self-compacting concrete as well as restoration. If it is what like collapse structure is maybe some damage or maybe it is collapsed or maybe something like it has earlier how it was there earlier structure, it is not earlier structure, it has some damages. So even we can make restoration of the same structure. That work also we can use self-compacting concrete and renewable construction, renewal constructions also. And next is very important, high stable, high durable retaining walls. For high stable and high retaining walls, construction with the help of self-compacting concrete. If we are constructing high stable and high durable retaining walls, so retaining walls means, for example, you have seen many embankment, right? So when there is a construction of embankment or maybe you have seen many highways, so there will be underpass. So underpass is constructed with the help of raising of normal alignment. Maybe like it depends on the road, and if is a highway is over the bridge or over the underpass, then that road elevation has to be raised. That with the help of retaining walls, and within the retaining walls there is a filling of earth. So to hold the earth material, we are constructing a retaining wall of earth. So for that high durable and high stable retaining wall, for that we are using self-compacting concrete. Fourth one is self-compacting concrete is employed in a construction of raft foundation or in a pile foundation. You can see in this third image here it is what foundations. So mainly it is what mainly raft or mat like kind of foundations and even in a pile foundations. So thank you for watching this video.